Hey there everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to crop image in Microsoft Word. So let's start it. For crop image we just need to select the image first, then from menu we need to click on format option. Here we see that crop option. From here again click in this crop option. After that we see that some of the element appeared here which is shown as black color. I just need to select the option, and then if I drag it, and then also if I drag it from here, and if I click outside of the image, I see that the image is cropped. So if I need to crop any other element, I will click on crop option again, then I see that full image. From here if I need to crop some option from the footer area, I select head and drag, and also I crop some area from upper area, drag them and just press enter. So here is the way crop a image in Microsoft Word. Thank you.